Good morning, friends. Let's learn some opposites. Heavy, light, loud, quiet. Repeat after me. Bright, bright, dim, loud, wonderful. Let's say them all together. Wet, dry, sweet, sour, day, night. Repeat after me. Hard, soft. Repeat after me. Near, far. Thick, thin. Great job. Repeat after me. Thick, thin. Great after me. Let's learn opposites. Rich, poor. Now repeat after me. Rich, young, old. Your turn. Young, old. High, low. One more time. High, low. Let's learn opposites. Repeat after me. Strong, weak, strong, weak, clean, dirty. Again, repeat after me. Full, empty. Great job. Repeat after me one more time. Open, closed. Easy, difficult. Right, wrong. Repeat after me. Right, wrong. Let's learn some opposite words. Repeat after me. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Now you.
Early, late.
Say it late.
Dart.
Light, dark. One more time.
Light.
Let's learn some opposites. Repeat after me. Short, tall, old, new. Now you say it. Old. Hot. Say it loud. Great job. Repeat after me. Short, tall, old, new, cold, hot. Let's learn opposites. Repeat after me. Left, right. Repeat after me. Heavy, light, thick, thin. Repeat after me. Thin. Great job. Let's say them all. Let's learn some fun opposite words. High, low. Fast, slow. Repeat after me. Big,